Hey, have you ever wondered where does water go when it disappears?
Hi Leo, I'm Aqua and I'll take you on a super cool adventure through the water cycle.
Water travels far and wide, through the air and deep inside.
First stop, evaporation. The sun warms up the water, turning it into an invisible gas called water vapor.
Whoa! So the water disappears into the sky?
When the sun shines big and bright, water rises out of sight.
But don't worry, it doesn't stay gone for long. As I float higher, the air gets cold and I turn back into tiny water droplets. That's called condensation.
Oh, so that's how clouds are made?
When warm air meets chilly air, tiny drops form everywhere.
And when we get too heavy, we fall.
Wait, fall?
Precipitation, what's the name? It means water falls as rain.
Or snow, or hail, or sleet. Also the line. It depends on how cold it is.
So water comes back down in different ways.
Yep, and where does it go next? Let us find out. All that water lands back in rivers, lakes, and oceans, ready to start the cycle all over again.
So the same water keeps going around forever?
That's the magic, round and round. Water's journey knows no bounds.
But guess what? We need to save water too. Turn off taps, don't waste it, and take care of our planet.
I still'll do my part. Will you?
Now you know how the water cycle works. Tell us that's your favorite part.
Like, comment, and don't delay. Subscribe and learn with us today. Thanks for watching. Check the links in the description for shopping your favorite products and toys.